Hello, today I will show another trap in the opening. D4, D5, C4, C6, Knight C3, Knight F6, and now E3, Bishop F5. This position, it's a good move. C takes D5, but today I will show you something different. Knight F3, E6, Bishop E2, A6. And now, very strange move, it's a knight to E5. And if play Bishop E7, in this position it's a white to move, and he will make a winning position. Okay, G4, Bishop G6, H4. Want to attack bishop. And after H6, knight takes G6, F takes G6. White made a damage on pawn structure, and white is better here. Thank you so much and see you next time. Bye.